This is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a busy mom trying to balance screen time, bedtime, and making sure my kid feels just a little bit of everyday magic, you're always on the lookout for simple but meaningful ways to connect. Today, I'm sharing one of those sweet little finds that turn out to be so much more than just a craft. The Dan&Darci Light Up Unicorn Terrarium kit caught my eye not because it promised hours of entertainment, but because it promised a moment, something calm, creative, and ours. As parents, we don't always get to slow down, but this kit somehow created a space for that. It's colorful, it glows, and yes, it's totally unicorn approved. But more than that, it became a shared project that sparked whispers, giggles, and a bedtime routine I didn't see coming. Let me tell you how it all began. When I first saw the Dan&Darci Light Up Unicorn Terrarium kit, I'll admit I was skeptical. At $12, it's definitely not breaking the bank, but as a mom, I've learned that not every cute-looking craft holds up once you actually dive into it. Still, I bought it for my daughter's 5th birthday, mostly because she's gone unicorn crazy lately. Unicorn PJs, unicorn backpack, unicorn stickers on the fridge. So I figured why not? And honestly, I'm so glad I did. This little craft turned out to be more than just a passing novelty. It was something she could make with her own hands, something she could personalize, and something she could actually use every single day. That's winning in my book as a mom who's always on the hunt for activities that are fun and useful. Putting it together was surprisingly easy, no glue, no mess, no last-minute Google searches for missing parts. The instructions were clear, and even better, it became this sweet little bonding moment. We sat at the kitchen table together, sorting through the little rocks, fluffing out the plastic plants, which, for the record, looked way cuter once arranged than I expected, and carefully placing the unicorn figurine in the center like she was starring in her own tiny world. My daughter had so much fun deciding where each piece should go. It was like her own mini interior design project. I love that it sparked her creativity without requiring a huge time commitment. We finished it in under an hour, and she proudly carried it to her bedroom like it was a trophy. Now, here's where it really won me over. It actually works as a night light. I wasn't sure how bright it would be or if it was just a gimmick, but once we turned off the main light in her room, that little terrarium glowed softly, casting a dreamy pastel light across the walls. It's not blinding, you wouldn't read by it, but it's perfect for easing fears of the dark. My daughter sleeps with it on every night now, and I've even caught her whispering goodnight to the unicorn before bed. That mom moment when your child treats a figurine like a best friend? Priceless. As a bonus, the light runs on batteries, so no cords trailing across the floor. Safety win. I do keep a spare set ready though, because she never wants it off. In terms of quality, it's definitely what you'd expect for the price point. Nothing ultra premium, but far from cheap. The plastic base and dome feel sturdy enough, though I did notice a small scratch on the inside after she rearranged the rocks a few times. You know how kids are, no stone or rock left unturned. The contents themselves, the sparkly pebbles, the fluffy pink and purple plants, don't feel like high-end decor, but they're cheerful and colorful, which is exactly what a 5-year-old or 7-year-old or even tween wants. Honestly, my middle school age niece came over and said, "Wait, that's so cute, I want one too." And that says a lot. It's not just for little kids. It's whimsical but not babyish. One thing I'll be honest about, the light isn't the brightest thing in the world. If your child wants something that illuminates the whole room, this isn't it. But for what it's meant to do, a soft, calming glow it delivers. I've heard from other moms that some kids have light issues, and while I hate to speak for everyone, ours worked perfectly right out of the box. That said, if the light did die early, I'd probably be a little frustrated at $12. But as it stands, it's held up for weeks now with consistent use, and we haven't had a single glitch. I check the batteries monthly just in case, but so far, so good. I also love how it's become part of her room's decor. It's not shoved in a drawer after one use like so many craft kits. No, this one sits on her nightstand as a centerpiece. It's functional, decorative, and personal because she made it. That sense of ownership is huge. She brags about it to her friends, shows it off during virtual playdates, and even talks about making a dragon version next. Cue future birthday hint. It's not just a gift, it's an experience. And at that price, being able to offer a fun, creative, screen free activity that doubles as a keepsake, that's hard to beat. All in all, I'd absolutely recommend the Dan and Darcy Light Up Unicorn Terrarium kit, especially for girls between 5 and 10. It's a fantastic birthday, holiday, or just because gift that doesn't require a ton of space or cleanup and delivers way more joy than you'd expect. Yes, it's simple. Yes, it's plastic and lights up with batteries. But sometimes the simplest things make the biggest impact. This little terrarium gave my daughter hours of joy, a nightly comfort, and a project we did together. Those are the kinds of memories we remember. Worth every penny in my eyes. If this little unicorn terrarium brought this much magic to our nights, imagine what else we can discover together. Let's light up more adventures. Hit that like button if you're raising a dream or two, and subscribe for more thoughtful, mom tested finds that spark joy and calm those bedtime fears.